YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Damon back with another video. So, as y'all see, bro, we in the Urus right now. Finna be giving y'all a little POV, you feel me? Finna give y'all a little POV in the Urus right now. As y'all do know, bro, my shit is stage 2, you know what I'm saying? This shit is no joke, bro. This shit faster than a motherfucker, bro. Like, for real, for real. So, that shit is super fun to drive, bro. Super fun to own. Yeah, I see that shit. Hopefully there is not a lot of traffic today. If there is, then what's the even point, bro? But it's fucking early right now. It's fucking 9 right now, so hopefully no traffic. Don't mind the background music, bro. I'm just listening to some funk right now. Just, you know, trying to have my mind up there, you feel me? I don't want to listen to no music plus copyright issues, but regardless, doesn't matter to me, bro. But this shit is tough. Stage 2 Urus. Stars in the skies, bro. You feel me? Ambient lighting on the door. See the bobs. Fuck that shit. We'll put it in sport. Start off in sport, chat. Come on, motherfucker. What are you doing, bro? Be terrorizing in the Urus, bro. Not sure if it's gonna be too windy, feel me? So I'm gonna put the windows up for y'all. Put the windows up to the vibes, bro. Hold on. Try to change the music real quick. Or maybe I just take that shit off. I'm gonna just stop the music, bro, because these fucking ads and shit. Don't mind me driving with my foot, bro. I'm a professional at this shit, you feel me? Crack the windows a little bit. This Porsche right here is tough. Fuck with it. I don't know, chat. I usually got my camera on my head, you feel me? POV camera. But I took that shit up today to give y'all a POV. And that shit is fucking dead, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? How the fuck is that shit dead? But either way, it doesn't matter. Hope y'all enjoy these type of POV though. Taking it easy today, you feel me? I'm not trying to go to jail, my boy. That fucking wind is crazy. What the fuck? I don't know. Should we go express lane with the chat? Express or not express? It's fucking early, so there might be a lot of traffic. So we're gonna go express with it, bro. We're terrorizing the express lane. Look at that over there, bro. Shit crazy. Damn, look at that fucking traffic coming back, bro. Like, that nigga gonna be in traffic coming back, bro. Like a fucking peasant. I hate that shit, bro. But, yes. Bro, this traffic is crazy. Let's be real, bro. Like, yeah. Damn. Fuck do I open this shit? Okay. Yeah, I hear that Shopify notification going crazy right now, bro. We printing. Nigga, dead ass. We's not playing around, bro. I'm super locked in, bro. Lately, I've been so locked in, bro. I just honestly I just been locked in, bro. I'm keeping a buck with y'all, bro. Like, if y'all not locked in with your own life, bro, I don't know what to tell y'all. I can't guide y'all. I mean, I could possibly guide y'all, but I can't, you know what I'm saying? Push out to, you know what I'm saying, be successful or try to make money, bro. You gotta be determined by yourself, and y'all gotta fucking want that shit, bro. Cause that's the reason why I'm in a Lambo right now, bro, because I wanted this shit, bro. I couldn't sleep, bro. It's a couple nights I even sleep, bro. Last night I only had like 2 hours sleep because I'm grinding, bro. You feel me? start a new brand. I literally just rebrand one of my brand, bro. I'm like, oh shit. So it's like a lot of work gotta be put into this shit, bro. Feel me? But with that being said, chat, y'all gotta want it for yourself, bro. Y'all just gotta stay true to yourself. Look what's going on around y'all, bro. Like, look, this motherfucker in the Porsche got his wing out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Ready to race a nigga, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, there's a lot of competition around there, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? So y'all gotta really lock in, bro. Level up. That's the only thing I could say to y'all today, this morning, bro. Lock in and level up, bro. Even right now, I'm in a Urus. Nigga out there driving SVJ. Nigga out there driving whatever. You feel me? This is a good start. I'm glad where I'm at in life right now, bro. But it's better out there 100%. And that's why every single day I wake up, I decide to do nothing but grind, bro. Because I know where I'm at in life right now is nothing compared to where I'm going to be in a few years, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I'm at a good start, though. I'm at a good start in life. So we're doing good for ourselves, chat. Grateful to God. Feel me? But I got to lock in, bro. Like I told y'all in one of my videos, I do have something that I'm going to be dropped. But I'm finna drop publicly, you know what I'm saying, so y'all could learn e-com or whatever the case is. E-com, if y'all want to learn TikTok shop, if y'all want to learn solely drop shipping on Amazon, drop shipping on Shopify, drop shipping on fucking TikTok shop, or y'all just want to do FBA. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I know a lot in this game, bro, you feel me? I know a lot, but like, this shit's not even funny. But the reason why I'm not like at an SVJ level yet and I'm at a Urus level yet is because of one reason, bro. One reason. And when y'all could see y'all own problems, bro, and y'all can just admit it and be like, okay, yeah, this is my problem, this is where I'm fucking up at, let me change it. Then that's the only way y'all can really level up and change your life, bro. Feel me? Because where I'm at right now, bro, is the point that, okay, I'm doing everything by myself, bro. You feel me? I'm always doing shit by myself. Damn, nigga, that shit tough. I'm always doing everything by myself, chat. You feel me? I'm always doing everything by myself. So I'm at a point in my life right now where I'll be like, okay, I definitely need a team. You feel me? I need people to be doing this for me. I can't be doing all this shit by myself. You know what I'm saying? It's too much work right now, bro. Like, to be making 100 mil a month, to be making a mil a month, to be making 100K a month, bro. If you're doing it by yourself, congratulations. You know what I'm saying? But bro, at this point, bro, I need to build a whole fucking team around me, bro. You feel me? So that's what I'm working on, bro. That's what I'm working on. So as soon as everything coming in place, nigga gonna pass 100K months, bro. Easy again, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not just light work. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, bro, I just gotta lock in. I've been trying to not turn the AC on because I've been getting super cold, but it's like I need the AC on, bro. Like, I need the fucking AC on, bro. Yes, sir. Giving y'all a long ass POV in the express lane, nigga. By the way, this speed is not real, by the way, bro. So I don't even know fucking cop watching this shit. This shit is not real, nigga. That ass shit is AI. AI generated content, nigga. That ass. AI generated content, my boy. But if y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like and subscribe and turn post notifications on. You feel me? Turn that post notifications on, bro. I don't really do POV a lot on this channel, but I'm giving y'all a POV right now, bro. Fuck it. No. Ooh, that notification sounds nice, bro. And it's crazy because I should be printing even more now, but it's possible because it's early in the morning, but I don't know. It's early in the morning. It's early in the morning, but either way, it doesn't matter, bro. I need to be making money early and late. You know what I'm saying? Early and late, bro. Like, I could really pull this shit up, bro, and show y'all niggas, like, what's the word, bro? I can't show. Oh, shit, my brand name is gonna show. Look. Covering this shit real quick. So that shit says 1K in the day so far. And it's a fucking 9 o'clock in the morning, bro. Like, locked in, bro. You feel me? Locked the fuck in. Oh shit, my phone's flying over there like a motherfucker, bro. Shit, just motherfucker walling. Sirski, so yeah, bro. We locked in, bro. This girl right here looking at my shit. Bro, imagine early in the morning, bro, driving the fucking Lamborghini Urus, nigga, that shit stage 2. Fucking burbling like a motherfucker, cutting up through traffic and shit. Bro, this life is sick as fuck. What the fuck? Shit is fun. Like, what? Let's be real, bro. This shit is fun. Good as fucking truck, bro. Hell no. Hell no, bro. Crazy, a nigga in a Urus right now, bro. Nigga coming from literally -0, bro. You know what I'm saying? And now in a fucking Urus, bro. This is what hard work is, but like, it's crazy because niggas really don't know how different I'm built, bro. Like, how the fuck did I just move to Miami 2 years ago, right? Around 2 years now. In a Urus. Literally just came from Jamaica fucking 5 years ago. You know what I'm saying? Just came from Jamaica 5 years ago, bro. I always say 6, possibly 6. Yeah, 5 or 6 years. I fucking forgot, but either way, not a big deal. Even like it matter, it does not. What the fuck is this? It doesn't really matter, bro. But just came from Jamaica, bro. 6 fucking years ago, right? Moved to Miami 2 years ago, and a nigga in a Urus, bro. And a nigga got out of cars, bro. Nigga got business booming, bro. Like, bro, I'm grateful. Like, I'm so fucking grateful. Like, I don't even think y'all understand how grateful I am. And even if I was like still at 0 like I was before, and I would still be grateful to at least be alive, bro. You know what I'm saying? And personally, I feel like the reason why I like level up so quick is because a lot of y'all are scared, bro. A lot of y'all are be like, I don't want to take this risk. I don't want to do this. Unlike me, bro, let's be real, nigga. Coming from Jamaica, fucking coming from like literally coming from nothing, bro. What the fuck do I have to lose, nigga? Like, I said fuck everything, bro. I have 0 to lose, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I'm locked in, nothing to lose, everything to gain, bro. That was my mindset, bro, and that still is my mindset, bro. That's the reason why I fucking take risks right now. Like, yo, I could take a risk, fucking invest 10K to fucking maybe lose all of it or fucking make fucking 5K on it. Fuck it, I'm doing it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's make this shit happen. If that shit doesn't work, I'll be like, fuck. But at the same time, bro, I got life, so I know that I could always be making more money. So I'm gonna be making more money, you feel me? So that's just how I think, bro. That's just my mindset, bro, you feel me? But I just gotta take all that risk, nigga. You got some of y'all are unknown, bro. That's the best thing about it too. That's the best thing about it too. Some of y'all are unknown. Personally, I don't feel like I'm that well known as yet. I'm not that well known as yet, bro. You feel me? But I'm still kind of like, okay, I'm unknown, right? I'm unknown. Like what? Fucking 5K followers on Instagram. Fucking whatchamacallit? How much? Like probably 9K on subscribers on YouTube. I don't even look at TikTok. I don't even know much, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm basically unknown, bro. I don't got fucking millions. I don't got hundreds of thousands yet. As yet, you feel me? I'm basically still unknown, bro. But the fact that I'm still unknown, it's actually good because why? Nigga, I got nothing to lose, bro. Like, I don't think bro, I got 0 to lose. 0 to lose. What? Okay, I fuck up. They're gonna be like, oh, it's not like I got a big ass name out there yet. And even if I do have a big ass name out there, I don't give a fuck. I'm still taking risks. But what I'm trying to say, bro, is that a lot of y'all are unknown, right? And y'all are scared to take a risk, bro. And y'all are scared to fucking be like, okay, let me try this. I might lose money. Oh, people might make fun of me. People might laugh at me. Let me not do it because I don't want them to make fun of me or laugh at me. Bro, I do so many shit, bro. A lot of people laugh. A lot of people fucking think this shit funny. A lot of people, I don't know, bro. Like, personally, I don't even give a fuck. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm just locked in. I'm just doing my shit. You feel me? But the fact that a lot of y'all are unknown and y'all scared to take that risk, bro, still. Bro, since y'all unknown, that should even give you a little buzz to be like, okay, let me take this shit because if I fail, nobody gonna know that I fucking failed because nobody know the fuck I am, bro. You feel me? So, that's just one thing about it too, bro. It's like, okay, you fail. Nobody gonna fucking know that you fail. Imagine put this shit on Corsa. No, I'm chilling right now, bro. Fuck all of that. Shit is in Strata. Don't put this shit in Ego. I don't know what the fuck that is. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, bro. The fact that most of y'all are unknown, bro, that y'all should look at it and be like, okay, if I fail, nobody gonna know who the fuck I am. You know what I'm saying? If it doesn't work out, I have nothing to lose. You get what I'm saying? So that should even give y'all a little buzz. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all are unknown, our next thing is y'all gotta still take that risk, because if y'all make it work, y'all gonna be known for that shit. You feel me? So either way, bro, fuck that shit, nigga. Y'all niggas need to take that risk, bro. I don't give a fuck. Even right now, nigga, I'm taking a risk right now. I'm gonna go to a spot right now to fucking do some business. Taking a risk every single day. And personally, bro, I don't give a fuck. Need to make a couple millions and say, yeah. Either way, bro, it doesn't matter to me. Taking that risk regardless, bro. For real, for real. Feel me? Still taking that risk, nigga. But that's just what I gotta say to y'all, chat. For real, for real. In a real way, bro. Damn, nigga. Fucking potholes. Wallet. Because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. I can't be like regular, bro. Like, that shit is not fun, bro. I'd rather try, lock in, make shit happen, and made fun of than for somebody to make fun of me for not having shit or not trying or not doing shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit could never be me, bro. I don't give a fuck. Always locked in. You know what I'm saying? But damn, bro. Just want to give God thanks again, bro, for life. For everything. You know what I'm saying? Because, bro, I'm coming from zero, bro. -0, bro. Like, what the fuck? No nigga in a Lambo. Shit is still crazy to me. Not super surprising, bro, because I know for a fact that, yo, I was gonna get here, but damn, nigga, this quick? And there's so much more improvement, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's so much more improvement, bro. Like, I'm grateful for real. Like, no joke, bro. Like, for real. Super grateful, my boy. I gotta really give God thanks for everything, for real. Always gotta give God thanks, bro. But with that being said, chat, listen. Hope y'all like this video. I would say hope y'all like this little lecture from me, just yapping. I don't really yap, bro. Personally, I don't like talking because I like to do shit. I don't like talking, bro. But when I talk, bro, it's rare. So fuck it. But yeah, if y'all want crazy POV, y'all know where to go. Go to Damon Fleet. That's where I could get crazy POV. This was just a chill POV to keep shit updated, you know what I'm saying, on the channel. See what's up with y'all. Talk to y'all. Feel me? But with that being said, chat, this is gonna be it for this video. Feel me? I hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all could lock in. You feel me? For y'all own good. Not mine's, bro. For y'all own good. And yeah. Just lock in, chat. Like the video, subscribe, turn post notifications on. Oh, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Let's level up our life. Simple, it's easy. Let's do it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.